world of beauty, and everybody aspires to have a skin which is snow white. Thank God we've come a long way, baby. Thank God for that. So now we are favorable to looking at all different colors and all different hues. And skin has been made to look anything from fair to wheat to various shades of ebony. Now I have to look at my notes again. But what is not celebrated today is if we have various skin ailments which take away and mar an otherwise good skin. And one of the common ailments for this is acne and rosacea. And now I will give Jalpa the mic, and Jalpa will explain and show us some shots about what acne looks like, what rosacea looks like, and we have to also understand that they're both very different things. Very often you go to a dermatologist and she'll tell you, you have rosacea. And we say, what's that? So, can we see some
So
slides?
true, Marisa. And good afternoon, everyone. And Marisa, we are in a very challenging situation because post lunch, it's so difficult to, talk about such a deep topic. And our audience are equally at a challenging situation because unko to sunna hai post lunch, right? So let's do some warm up. Let's clap so that, we get to know that we all are here. Thank you so much. So, it's a very boring topic. Acne क्या नया बताएंगे, because we have been treating acne for ages in the salon. अभी ये दो ladies आई हैं beauty conference में, and what they are going to talk about it. But it's always good to learn, and we are here to add some value to your knowledge bank. That's what we believe in. And the slides are already on, you can see. So let's quickly talk about acne as Marisa suggested. So we all know acne is a skin disorder which is related to oil and combination skin, right? Sebaceous gland ka disorder hai. The more your oil glands are active, there are higher chances कि आपके skin में clogging होगी. ये clogging किस चीज़ की होती है? This is dead cells, your oil, and also the bacteria. Which bacteria? It is QT bacteria, which is now called C bacteria. Because bacteria are anaerobic, because वो lack of oxygen के environment पे ज़्यादा thrive करते हैं, multiply होते हैं. So that's the reason you get acne. And then there are different grades of acne. I'm sure we all know about it. Now, in the picture, in the slide that you can see is grade 1 acne and grade 2 acne, right? Do you see any difference? If we can have some mic, let's make it an interactive session.
These are the easiest cases of acne to solve.
Yes,
Grade
absolutely.
1, grade 2. And you ignore it and you leave it, then it becomes worse, worse, and worse.
And they move on to the next grades.
Yes.
Just like your school. You move on to from grade 1 to then 3 and 4. Then it is more difficult to treat. Yes. So grade 1 you are much at a safer place, as in because बहुत ज़्यादा यहाँ पे चीज़ें out of control नहीं हुई है. They are very mild case. So basically it starts with blackheads, whiteheads, skin clogging. If you don't keep your skin clear, because what happens in oily skin, जो skin turnover है, जो आपके dead cells which wants to shed off, they cannot. They cling on to your skin and it clogs your pores. ये because of this, you must have seen, even if you keep your skin clean, if you don't keep your scalp clean, then what happens? जो scalp का जो dust है, in case if you have dandruff or the dead cells which comes off, will clog your pores on the forehead. So just by looking at the face, आप बता सकते हैं very easily कि आपके scalp में dandruff है या नहीं है. You can also tell your customer वो lefty है या righty है, which of their hand is dominant. Can you guess how?
Yeah.
Yes. So जिस साइड आपका फ़ोन ज़्यादा रहेगा आप बातें करेंगे बिकॉज द फ़ोन इज़ द मोस्ट कंटामिनेटेड आइटम विच यू कैरी राइट लॉट ऑफ बैक्टीरियाज सो जिस साइड आप फ़ोन ज़्यादा रखेंगे उस साइड आपको पिंपल्स ज़्यादा दिखेंगे एंड यू नो इफ़ यू टेल दिस टू योर क्लाइंट विल बी सुपर इम्प्रेस सेइंग आप एस्ट्रोलॉजर भी हैं क्या so yes this is a very good idea you can try with it anything to add Marisa
Yes. Also, along with dandruff in your scalp, it's very important what food you eat. Because the food that you eat, everything that you eat, the food shows on your skin. So if you eat very oily, very spicy, very deep fried food, it's going to tell on your skin and it's going to come up in various ways. But I have to just off the record tell you all that at age 17 or 18, right till the age of 23 or 24, I had the worst skin you can ever see in your lifetime. You couldn't see a piece of skin on my face. It was only pustules, pustules, and more pustules. And my mother, who was Serena Kambatan, the first most beautician in Bombay at that time, in the 60s I'm talking about, would cry when she would see my skin and she'd say, the whole world comes to me and I solve their problems and I can't solve your problem. You don't eat right, you don't eat right. So she stopped me from eating, stopped me. But I have to tell you, none of all that worked. What worked was that I soon got married and I had a baby and my skin cleared out miraculously, like a miracle. So, you know, it's very hormonal and it's very, very, very connected to your lifestyle, to your anxiety, to your stress. Every time I would give an exam, you couldn't see my face. It was only acne.
So
Only
true.
acne.
So true. So the basic causes for acne is definitely hormonal changes and your overactive oily glands. Also, stress adds up to it. Like Marisa was just mentioning about examinations. That's what teens or adults exam hoti hai. They are more stressful. That's when your oil glands get a signal to secrete more oil to balance the stress level, and that's how you end up getting more acne. So it's very important to identify what is triggering your acne, or uske liye knowledge is very, very important. Nowadays, what we see on social media, people are influencing, right? People get influenced. But my only suggestion would be instead of getting influenced, get educated and do the same thing with your customers.
Agreed. Agreed. And the most important part of everything is CTM, cleansing, toning, moisturizing, and most importantly, sunscreen. Everybody needs sunscreen. When
Right.
she's going to go ahead into the rosacea part, that's when I'll give my. Go ahead, Jalpa.
Right. So we were talking about grade 1, grade 2 acne. So grade 1 is where you have more of blackheads, whiteheads, your skin is clogged, very few pimples or papules you will see. As you move to grade 2, the size of the papule or जिसे हम कहते हैं दाने, it increases, it is little more than 2 mm. And when you move to a grade 3, can we have the next slide? Now, when you see this grade 3 and grade 4 acne, grade 4 is, really scary. Grade 3 is when the pustule, the infection is a lot more than 1 and 2. And you will see inflammation and redness also. Grade 4 is when you have cystic acne, nodular acne, जो ऊपर नहीं दिखते हैं लेकिन cyst के form में underneath your skin is there, which is more painful and the inflammation is very high. So how do we treat these kind of acne?
So let's get to what she said, grade 1, where you have whiteheads and blackheads on the face. That is your first point. You have to physically remove the blackheads and whiteheads from the face. Otherwise, those same blackheads and whiteheads are going to turn into acne. So in order to prevent that, you have to remove that. So you have to be, and after you do what is called a cleanup, then you can't just say, okay, now I've done a cleanup, I don't have to bother. No. On the contrary, you have open pores on your skin, and those open pores are targets for pollution in the air, and everything is going to come back over there. And then you say, oh my God, I just did a cleanup and blackheads and whiteheads are there again. Yes, they are going to come back again because you have open pores. You have to keep your face clean, clean, clean all the time. That's the first important rule. Cleanup is essential. You need to do that. Then you have to keep your face clean at all times.
So true. So cleaning your skin is the key, as we were mentioning. Oil built up itna ज़्यादा है, dead skin cells itna ज़्यादा है. Cleaning and using the right product is very, very important. More than that, it is important to know what not to do. Because क्या करना है, you will get lot of advices. क्या नहीं करना है, इसके बारे में people will talk less. तो क्या नहीं करना है is equally important. Don't pick your acne. Don't try to extract them at home, saying कि ये इसको मैं extract कर लेती हूँ, पस निकल जाएगा, तो वो easily heal हो जाएगा. Let professionals do their work. Would suggest go to a professional salon and get a professional service done, like a basic cleanup that will take care in case if you are in grade 1 acne. And this usually happens with teenagers who, just because adolescence may they have entered, there is a lot of hormonal changes. The emotional stress is also adding up to more of oil secretion. So yes, and then grade 2, 3, 4, 4, so definitely we don't suggest to treat at salon. So avoid vigorous massages. Definitely we all know कि acne skin पे हम massage नहीं करते हैं. Let's limit to the cleanup, and then now at home, in case if you want to use, nowadays you get pimple patches, which I believe is a excellent thing, because आप जो ऑफिस में बैठे हैं या काम कर रहे हैं, अपने आप हाथ वहाँ चला जाता है. So a pimple patch will protect your hands from picking those acnes, which is not a good idea. So a pimple patch will definitely help. And then salon से जो आपको home care मिलता है cleanup के बाद, उसको definitely आप follow करिए. And जो active ingredients, there's a long list of active ingredients which goes for acne prone or acne skin. There are a lot of ingredients like tea tree oil is there, sulfur resorcinol is there, salicylic acid is there, AHA, BHA comes, salicylic comes under BHA. So an array of products and ingredient list is there to take care of acne. It's just that if we have the right knowledge, we can choose the right product. What do you say?
True, absolutely. Secondly, when you choose a product, supposing your friend tells you, oh, you must use this, whatever, product. You try it. It makes your skin very bad. Stop using it. I've had to change numerous products for numerous times for my own skin till I finally reached a product which I like and I'm comfortable with. And now even the main person whom I deal with in USA, she says, don't tell Marisa anything. She will use what she wants to use, which is true. I understand my skin. I can't tell her, okay, I think this is correct. Yes, I can. She can try it. If she doesn't like it, she should choose something else.
Yeah,
That is where knowledge comes into the thing. You cannot go by one Katrina Kaif saying, this is my product. Array, she's got flawless skin. You understand? So you have to read between the lines. Social influencer. Today she will tell you, this is a good product. Tomorrow, this is a good product. So, you have to use your own intelligence in a lot of things.
So true. So for a lot of times it is trial and error till the time you reach the right product for your skin type. So grade 4 acne we don't suggest to treat at the salon. Let dermats do their work. Can we have the next slide? Now you tell me, what grade of acne is this? Open for the audience to answer. What grade of acne is this? Yes? Grade 3, okay. Grade 5, there's no grade 5 as such. It's till 4, yes. So you are saying 3? Sorry? This is grade 4? Okay, there we go, and that's why we are here. Yes, please. Grade 5, okay. So that's the reason precisely we are talking about it, because this is rosacea. We always get confused it by acne. So acne and rosacea are two different things, and that's what, I was requesting that these slides are very, very important. I want all of you to see and differentiate. This is rosacea, and it is, mistakenly taken as acne.
May I interrupt?
Yes.
So if rosacea is not treated, please listen to what I say. If it is not treated, it will become acute acne. Okay? So please keep that in mind. Everybody with a slight redness on the skin thinks that their skin is sensitive. Most people come into the salons today and they say, oh, I don't want to do a facial, my skin is very sensitive. Actually, that's probably 90% of the time not true. And there's again a difference between sensitive skin and sensitized skin. Sensitized skin, it's a very fine line between the two of them, but you have to be able to understand that when you're treating that type of skin. You cannot, one shoe fits all does not work on skin. Does not work on skin.
True, so true. So one formula doesn't fit in all the situations. So let's talk about rosacea. So rosacea, see, acne is a skin disorder which is connected to your oil glands. Rosacea can happen on any skin type, be it oily, be it dry. And rosacea, there are various causes of rosacea. It could be sun exposure, it could be your abnormal blood vessels. So what happens in rosacea, there are different grades of rosacea again, there are different types, not grades, but I would rather say there are different types. So where you have your blood vessels are very fragile, very weak, the vasodilation or the dilation of your blood vessels happens very easily, which the elasticity also is contributing factor. तो क्या होता है, आपके जो ब्लड वेसल्स है वो बहुत वीक है, वो बहुत जल्दी फैल जाते हैं. सो अगर आप उसको गर्मी देंगे, like kind of heat, and if you use warm or hot water to wash your face or your hair and the water is dripping the warm water on your face, what will happen? जो blood vessels है वो further dilate होके और weak हो सकते हैं, and it may aggravate your rosacea. So yes.
So increased blood flow to the skin makes it more prone to pigmentation, acne, and rosacea. Increased blood flow. So you have to keep yourself emotionally
balanced. Yes.
It's very important. Everything, as I said, what your thoughts are, show on your face. And as you get older, those things are more important because that reflects completely on your face. So you may not take a single facial in your life, but you have to lead a nice, balanced, happy life.
Right. Also, one of the causes for rosacea, जो आपने अभी Instagram पे या देखा होगा, there is a mite called Domidex mite. बहुत ज़्यादा, the reels are floating on Instagram, which is also one of the reasons where you get rosacea. So what happens when these Demodex mite, they are microscopic, हम इसको naked eye से नहीं देख सकते हैं, but they are small mites which lives on your skin. They feed on your oil and the dead skin cells, and जिनके skin में वो mites overgrow करते हैं, overgrowth of Demodex, rosacea उनको होता है. So the best thing is to keep those mites away. How do you keep that? By using something that can decrease those mites. जैसे कि tea tree है, something which has antimicrobial or antibacterial properties. तो इससे भी आपके mites जो है वो कम होंगे, तो redness आपके face पे कम दिखेगी. And yes.
Change your pillow covers all the
So
time.
true, so true.
Change your towels all the time.
Don't use somebody else's towel.
Yeah, don't use a towel on your face, use a tissue. Dab your skin, don't rub. So many little things, common sense things. We have to just use common sense.
Yes. And see, in this forum, if there are around 20, 30 people, not everybody's skin is sensitive, right? So a lot of people ask कि you know why rosacea क्यों होता है, why it happens, मेरे साथ क्यों हुआ, मुझे क्यों redness है. In salon, lot of people get confused that your skin is sensitive, but actually it is rosacea. So you know it's very important do a proper consultation because rosacea may happen because of genetic predisposition. आपके फैमिली में अगर किसी को रोजेशिया है, देयर आर चांसेस आपको भी हो सकता है. हो सकता है आप आपका जो नर्व एक्टिविटी है इज लाइक वेरी ओवर एक्टिव. सो व्हाट हैपेंस, यू गेट फ्लेयर अप्स, यू गेट टिंगलिंग सेंसेशन, यू गेट बर्निंग सेंसेशन very very fast as compared to other skin type or other people. So इस वजह से a proper consultation is very very important to reach to this conclusion कि ये exactly सिर्फ sensitive skin तक ही है limited or this is beyond that it could be rosacea. So consultation and proper diagnosis नोटिस करना. फेयर स्किन में तो आपको बहुत इजीली पता चल जाएगा रोजेशिया. इंडियन स्किन, डार्कर स्किन टोन रोजेशिया कैसे दिखता है, आई विल शो यू इन द कमिंग स्लाइड्स.
So who has a predisposition for rosacea? Mostly people in the age group 30 to 60. Mostly fair skin, but of late I've been seeing a lot of wheat colored and dark skinned people having a lot of rosacea. They're not aware what it is and not treating it. And it's very, very severe when it happens to men because men don't do anything. If you tell them use a cleanser on your face, they will say, I'm not a woman. You say use an astringent. Why? What's that? So it's very difficult people. But once you have a male client on your side, he's the most loyal and the much better than any female client. You can sell him anything, he will buy it. You can tell him to come as often as possible, he will come. That is the advantage of men versus women. But women are also more likely to get rosacea, but men's cases are really, really, really severe.
Yes, we will talk about it. Like how rosacea in men look like. It is, there are बहुत easy आप identify कर सकते हैं. So, I thought थोड़ा ज़्यादा technical हो रहा है. So I just thought, I'll explain about the sensitive skin, what exactly happens. So the skin barrier is completely disrupted. If you can see the normal skin versus sensitive skin. So when you use a lot of wrong products, what happens, a lot of things enters into your skin and it disrupts your barrier, skin barrier. And that's when your skin is susceptible or vulnerable to a lot of infection. So most important, even if whether you have acne skin or rosacea skin, आपका skin barrier intact होना चाहिए. Next slide please. Now here you will see this is vascular rosacea where your blood vessels are weak, जिसको टेक्निकली हम टेलेंजोकासिया बोलते हैं या स्पाइडर वेन्स बोलते हैं लेमैन की लैंग्वेज में. ये बहुत कॉमन है. दिस इज कॉल्ड एज वैस्कुलर रोजेशिया, जहाँ पे रेडनेस है, फ्लेयर अप आपको दिख रहे हैं. ट्रिगर पॉइंट आप देखिए एंड उस पर वर्क कीजिए. इट कुड बी इमोशनल स्ट्रेस, यूवी रेज, हॉट बेवरेजेस, स्पाइसेस जो उसको कर रहे हैं, फ्लेयर अप कर रहे हैं. ऑल्सो there is this H. pylori, which is related to your gut, is very, very important.
Gut is very important.
Yes,
Gut is very, very important. And blue light, computers, telephones, all the time we are looking at that. All these things affect our general skin health, all of them. And I just want to tell you something, that rosacea affects more than 400 million people worldwide. But it is still a disease that is underdiagnosed. Nobody knows what it is. They say in 2019, the global rosacea treatment market size was US dollars 1483.1 million in
Converted into
2019.
lakhs.
And it is expected to reach US dollars 1853.5 million by 2026.
Yes, but in India, let's talk the reality. Salons में रोजेशिया का डायग्नोसिस या उसका जो ट्रीटमेंट है वो बिल्कुल एग्जैक्टली रोजेशिया को लेके हम नहीं करते हैं. हम उसके सराउंडिंग करते हैं. एक्ने है तो एक्ने ट्रीट करते हैं, ड्राइनेस है तो ड्राइनेस ट्रीट करते हैं. सेंसिटिव स्किन है भाई थोड़ा ध्यान रखना, स्क्रब थोड़ा ज़्यादा मत रगड़ देना, यू नो, जस्ट डोंट डू ओवरडू ऑफ स्क्रबिंग. So we take precautions, but we don't give solutions. This is what is the reality, right? So we still have to evolve to that level where we actually treat rosacea and not just the symptoms or just running around it, right? So the next is like you have inflammatory rosacea where you have flare-ups. This happens because of the overactive immune system. Your immune system is very hyper, it is overactive. So what happens if there is any like I was talking about Domidex mite, if there is increased number of mites on your skin, or if you know the skin would take it as an invader कि बाहर से कोई चीज़ अंदर आने की कोशिश कर रहा है, and the skin will fight. और उस वजह से उस जगह पे there is lot of flare up, वहाँ पे inflammation हो जाता है, and that's what we call as inflammatory rosacea, where skin आपको हमेशा गर्म लगती है, red लगती है, and mostly if you see you know your आपका T zone आपको हमेशा एकदम red लगता है, your chin, nose, inner cheeks and little bit of forehead.
Please don't treat these cases in the salon. Please send them to their friendly dermatologist. Salicylic peels are what is advised. But though we have a lot of products with salicylic peel in it, do not use in salon. Do not. Just advise them you need a doctor.
True. So Marisa was talking about rosacea in men. Rosacea in men, how do you identify? You know, this is very, very common in men. If they have rosacea and later stage, they develop phyma. What is phyma? फाइमा इज जब आपकी स्किन मोटी होने लगती है और एक लेदरी फील आने लगती है. यू कैन सी इन द पिक्चर एंड यू कैन ईजीली यू नो आपको लगेगा अरे ऐसी स्किन तो बहुत देखी है. दिस इज यू नो इसका जो टेक्निकल नेम है इज राइनोफाइमा. देर आर अदर, किसी का सिर्फ चिन में होता है, किसी को नोज में होता है, फोरहेड पे होता है, अराउंड द आईज ऑल्सो होता है. सो दिस इज अ लेटर स्टेज एंड यूजुअली मेन इनको फाइमा ज़्यादा होता है. अच्छा, देयर इज़ वन मोर इंटरेस्टिंग फैक्ट अबाउट रोजेशिया इज़ यू विल नॉट सी एनी ब्लैक हेड्स और वाइट हेड्स इन द स्किन. आप अगर एक्सट्रैक्शन भी करते हैं तो कोई कंजेशन, ब्लैक हेड, वाइट हेड, सेबेशियस फिलामेंट कुछ भी बाहर नहीं आएगा. इट्स जस्ट जनरल रेडनेस एंड इन्फ्लेमेशन. येस, कभी कभी because inflammation is so high that you may develop pustules and papules, but they are not related to acne. Sometimes you acne skin may have inflammation and may develop rosacea at a later stage. That's when we call it as acne rosacea. Rosacea by itself is not connected to acne. Yes. So here you can see male and female both. आप nose को एक देख रहे होंगे, थोड़ा एक्स्ट्रा वहाँ पे स्किन आई है, टिश्यू वहाँ पे हुआ है, and that's called as phyma. Next slide please. Now this is when you have ocular rosacea, which is a little more serious type of rosacea where the redness gets into your eyes. आपके आंखों के अंदर चला जाता है. If you come across any kind of clients, you know, refer them to a professional, a doctor, because this cannot be treated in the salon, right? So these were different types of rosacea. And Marisa, I wanted to talk about what solution in the salon they can give to people with rosacea. Now you run a clinic. How good is laser and IPL?
IPL is excellent because IPL soothes the skin. It's got various lights, and so the light treats the skin and it's non-invasive, so the client also feels very comfortable that they're sitting over there and there's nice things happening over them. Not a very expensive treatment, and people come out at the end looking calmer, softer, and they feel good. In fact, I have a film star coming to me with a fantastic skin. And of course, she's every 10 days for a facial, but every between two facials, she asks for IPL. She said, no, 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 I want IPL because the IPL makes my skin glow. Now, one treatment for to calm the skin is salicylic peels. IPL is excellent. Carbon facials are also good. Carbon facials work because it that fat of the Q switch, breaks that. How do I say it? Breaks the
Pigmentation.
breaks that pigmentation and makes the skin look calm, and the carbon relaxes the face. More than that, Q switch also works for laser. It does work, but basically everybody in India wants to look fair. That is a big problem that we encounter. So, I say everybody cannot be fair, and there is beauty in all the colors. So, you just have to make the best of what you have. And it's not that difficult. Today there's so much makeup available, there's so many things available, and so much social media. I've been watching this, I don't know, this makeup artist every day. 6 minutes it takes. And I say, I take 2 minutes. But, I mean, that comes with, I guess, with a lot of experience. I don't have more than 2 minutes to do that, And I say, okay, is it looking okay? And then my dad used to always tell me, you don't need blusher on your face. Your face is always red. I said, don't say that. It may be rosacea.
Yeah. So,
Yeah.
yeah. So, so
Time.
yes. Okay. Okay. Thank you.
So we can throw it open to people
Yeah,
to
in
ask
case
questions.
if you have, but before that, I just wanted to show you how rosacea look on Indian skin. Can we have? I'm sure you must have come across these kind of pigmented skin that is actually rosacea, because in darker skin tone, rosacea look like pigmentation. You can see it as a callous skin. आपको forehead पे लगेगा यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा skin जो है वो मोटी हो रही है. That is rosacea. Men में आप देखेंगे, आप men clients जो आपके male clients जो हैं, उसमें आप देखेंगे there is lot of thickness on their forehead. हमको लगता है बाइक ज़्यादा चला रहे, कुछ बोलते हैं वो रोज़ बाम लगाते हैं. That's the reason they are getting pigmentation. These are all salon का problems, normal issues जो we come across, and that's why I'm discussing. So it's very important. Initial stage में जो redness होती है dark skin में, वो unnoticed रह जाती है. So it's very important that we do take care of it. And yes, now we are ready to take your questions in case if you have any. Yes, please. Can we pass the mic, please? Mic, yes. So that everyone can hear the question.
The skin you have shown in middle, I think it's forehead, right?
Yes.
So such skin can peel?
Yes, as Marisa rightly mentioned, salicylic. Azelaic also works wonder. And
No, I'm not asking for solution. I'm just asking if such skin can peel.
What do you mean, peel?
Peel as in
If we use thread on that skin.
oh yes, so it's a contraindication. It's a contraindication because it's a skin disorder. अगर आप thread कर रहे हैं तो skin वहाँ से peel हो सकती है. That's what your question is?
Yes.
हाँ हो सकती है. But the inflammation is high. In that case, उस area पे आप मत करिए and just limit yourself to where it is required. You can go for other alternatives जैसे अभी hard wax या peel off wax easily available है, which doesn't stick to your skin but only to your hair.
Less invasive. Less invasive, and
Correct.
never recommend these type of pigmented, what you may feel is pigmented, never recommend pigment skin creams, never, because that may aggravate it and make it worse.
Okay. Thank you.
Yes.
Yes,
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 yes.
yes. But better not to treat it in the salon. Send them to a dermatologist. If you have a very mild salicylic peel, you can try if it is a not so acute rosacea. But if the rosacea is very acute, please don't try. Don't try. And don't do things like high frequency and all these things. You know, say, oh, that'll calm the skin and all. Just don't do that. Yeah.
So we can, always take this triple S approach, which is soothing, strengthening, and shielding. So soothing is do everything that can calm down or soothe the skin. Use something, which will help to skin the calm down. When I say strengthening is skin barrier को strengthen करिए. Shielding is against, any kind of external aggressions है, UV exposure है. So yes.
Yeah, the question I asked is whether salicylic acid and carbon facial can be done on a rosacea skin.
Yes.
You can try Azilic also. Azilic is also one of the good options to try on rosacea skin. It doesn't come under AHA or BHA, but it has very good anti-inflammatory properties, so it works wonder on rosacea skin.
अच्छा मैडम मेरे को पूछना था
Can you spell it?
रोजेशिया
AZELAIC. You'll put it on Google.
E-Z-E.
Yeah.
रोजेशिया वाली जो स्किन रहती है अगर वो मेकअप एज अ समझो वो ब्राइड है तो क्या मेकअप करवा सकते हैं वो
Yes. Yes.
Sure,
yes.
sure. No problem.
ओके
No
थैंक यू
problem at all.
थैंक्स
जो अल्कोहल वाला बेस्ड टोनर है या अल्कोहल बेस्ड प्रोडक्ट है ट्राई टू
mild
बी अवे
products.
फ्रॉम इट बिकॉज
Mild.
क्या होगा उससे स्किन ड्राई होगी इरिटेशन होगा तो उनको लगेगा आई वांट टू इच माय स्किन सो स्टे अवे फ्रॉम एनीथिंग दैट कंटेन्स अल्कोहल
ओके थैंक
stay
यू
away from drinking also because that will again further dilate your blood vessels.
Yeah. Red wine, all these
Refrain.
things aggravate. Red wine, all these things. Just stay with Coca-Cola.
हेलो एक्सक्यूज मी मिस पायल जलपा राणा मैं आपको एक क्वेश्चन पूछना चाहता हूँ अपने सैलिसिलिक एसिड कितने % दे सकते हैं उसके साथ कोजिक एसिड भी ऐड कर सकते हैं क्या सीरम में
इनिशियली कोजिक एसिड से आप थोड़ा सा दूर रहिए बिकॉज कोजिक एसिड वर्क्स ऑन
arms
इनहिबिशन
right
ऑफ
now?
मेलेनिन मेलेनिन को स्टॉप करता है
yeah.
कोजिक एक्सफोलिएट नहीं करता है सैलिसिलिक माइल्डर लेवल पे एक्सफोलिएट करता है माय सजेशन इज डोंट गो बियॉन्ड 5%.
ओके
Yes.
5%.
5% के ऊपर मत चाहिए 5% के अंदर
स्टार्टिंग
अंदर ही रखिए.
फर्स्ट इज 2% राइट नाउ
यस यस
उसके बाद सीरम में मतलब क्या सजेशन कर सकते हैं हम लोग उसको
आप हाइलुरोनिक यूज कर सकते हैं नियासिनामाइड इज एन एक्सीलेंट ऑप्शन
या राइट
आप हाँ वो यूज कर सकते हैं.
ओके उसके
Yes.
बाद सनस्क्रीन लोशन पीएच 55 प्लस चलेगा या 55
डिपेंड्स ऑन देयर सन एक्सपोजर कितना धूप में निकल रहे हैं तो 25
Broad
से लेके
spectrum.
70
Broad
तक
spectrum,
ब्रॉड स्पेक्ट्रम
sunscreen.
एक्चुअली इंडियन कल्चर इज 55 इज इनफ राइट नाउ यहाँ पे
सॉरी
अपने ये इंडियन एटमॉस्फेयर यहाँ पे 55 इनफ हो गया
कर दे सकते हैं.
दे सकते हैं
यस
ना
यस
ओके थैंक यू
यस प्लीज कैन वी हैव द माइक.
I have a picture for my client, so I am very confused. What is the actually in skin? So this is the rosacea.
दिस इज रोजेशिया.
Okay.
यू गॉट इट नाउ.
Yes.
क्या नहीं करना है नेवर डू माइक्रोडर्माब्रेशन ऑन देम बिकॉज ओवर एक्सफोलिएशन से स्किन ड्राई होगी और ज़्यादा इची इरिटेशन होगा. माइल्ड लेवल पे रेगुलर इंटरवल पे लाइक वंस इन अ वीक you can exfoliate very mildly and then give them home care.
Thank you.
Yes.
Is photofacial recommended for this?
First treat the skin and then do photofacial, you mean laser, right? Just stay with carbon. Don't do
LED light treatment you can do. You can use
Best.
red light
Best
because that is
LED.
anti-inflammatory, will work
Yeah,
at
red
least
light.
good.
Best.
It will not aggravate the condition.
And make the skin glow.
Yes.
Yeah. But regular salicylic peels, sure shot treatment.
कर सकते हैं. So I hope acne and rosacea का difference to some extent would be clear.
हेलो
Yes. Yes.
जलपा जी मैं
Yes.
अपने ग्लूटोथियन टेबलेट दे सकते हैं क्या
टैबलेट
हाँ ग्लूटाथियन.
आप सैलून में
Glutathione.
ग्लूटाथियन देते
हाँ
हैं?
ग्लूटाथियन, हाँ
we
राइट.
don't
देते हैं आईवी ड्रिप?
नो 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 नो,
No,
जस्ट सजेशन
tablets.
पूछना चाह, टैबलेट की बात
We-
कर रहा हूँ.
So what we are talking about right now here is topical application of the products. We
Yeah.
don't suggest, or we are not authorized to suggest anything that
I
they
will
shouldn't
be-
take. हम
okay,
लोग उसके लिए we cannot suggest कि आप क्या
Dermatologist
tablets ले
suggest कर
सकते
रहे हैं
हैं.
आजकल, इसलिए
Dermats
पूछा
कर
मैंने.
Hi,
सकते
Disha.
हैं. We are not the right person.
बट उसका साइड इफेक्ट या इफेक्ट कुछ पूछ ना सकते हो?
You need to do some research on it.
ओके, थैंक यू.
Yes.
Glutathione don't give.
ओके ओके ओके. लैक्टिक एसिड ऐसा कुछ? लैक्टिक एसिड.
Lactic acid आप कर सकते हैं. Yes.
Yeah.
माइल्ड एक्सफोलिएशन एंड उसका मॉलिक्यूलर स्ट्रक्चर बड़ा होता है ना, तो
हाँ.
वो इरिटेट नहीं करता है. यू कैन यूज इट. यू कैन ऑल्सो यूज PHA.
या
PHA is also good.
Yeah.
Not AHA but PHA.
PHA, right.
Polyhydroxy acid
Right.
also you
Okay,
can
okay,
use.
okay, okay.
Milder percentage.
ओके.